Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the touch and hold delay mode on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the Timing Controls option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now locate the Touch and Hold Delay option. Tap on it. Here, see the three options. The first option is short, the second option is medium, or the last and third option is long. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose to change the touch and hold delay instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.